Mechanical gaming keyboards are specialized input devices designed for gaming enthusiasts, featuring individual mechanical switches for each key, which provide tactile feedback and durability compared to traditional membrane keyboards. These keyboards are valued for their precision, responsiveness, and customizable features such as programmable keys, RGB lighting, and varying switch types that cater to different preferences: tactile, linear, or clicky. The importance of mechanical gaming keyboards lies in their ability to enhance gaming performance, offering quicker actuation times and improved typing comfort, which can lead to more accurate gameplay and reduced fatigue during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, their robust construction often makes them more resilient, appealing to gamers who seek long-lasting equipment. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 mechanical keyboards for gaming. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The RisoPhy mechanical keyboard with blue switches is a standout choice for users seeking a responsive, tactile experience with satisfying clicky feedback. Its deep key travel and enhanced spacing provide greater accuracy and comfort, making it ideal for both typing and gaming. The keyboard's vibrant rainbow backlighting, with 9 customizable modes and adjustable brightness, elevates any desktop setup, especially in darker environments. With a full-size layout and 104 keys, including a win-lock function and 12 multimedia shortcuts, it combines functionality with convenience. The ergonomic design, featuring stair-step keycaps and foldable rear kickstands, ensures reduced hand fatigue during extended use, while its durable, water-resistant construction adds peace of mind against spills. Perfect for gamers and professionals alike, this keyboard is a versatile, high-performance option that excels in both form and function. Here is the item number 4, Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. The Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard offers an exceptional typing experience with its tactile quiet switches, delivering a fluid, low-noise response that feels satisfying to use. With the option for clicky or linear switches, users can choose their preferred style. Its low-profile mechanical keys and ergonomic design make it comfortable for long typing sessions, while smart illumination automatically adjusts backlighting based on surrounding lighting conditions. The keyboard's multi-device pairing capability works across multiple operating systems, and the USB-C quick charging provides up to 15 days of battery life, or up to 10 months with the backlight turned off. The Logi Options plus software enhances workflow efficiency by allowing customizable FN keys, backlighting effects, and flow multi-device control. Additionally, the top case is made from low-carbon aluminum, emphasizing sustainability while maintaining premium durability. The item number 3, Corsair K70. The Corsair mechanical keyboard delivers an exceptional typing and gaming experience, combining sleek design with high-performance features. Its pre-lubricated red linear switches offer smooth, responsive keystrokes, enhanced by dual layers of sound, dampening for a quieter, more satisfying feel. A robust aluminum top plate adds durability and style, while the ABS double-shot keycaps are built to withstand heavy use without cracking. The keyboard also features a multi-function rotary dial and programmable media button, providing easy control over volume and media settings through Corsair's ICUE software. Comfort is further enhanced by a magnetic, detachable soft-touch palm rest, offering a cozy resting spot for long gaming sessions or workdays. Number 2 in our list, MageGee Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The MageGee MK Box 60% mechanical keyboard stands out as a compact yet fully functional option, perfect for gaming and work while saving space. With 68 keys, including separate arrow keys and all essential F keys, it offers the convenience of a full-sized layout in a smaller form factor. Equipped with red switches, it provides smooth, linear key presses with minimal sound, making it responsive without the tactile bump, ideal for fast typing or gaming. The keyboard features customizable blue LED backlighting with around 15 modes, allowing users to adjust brightness and speed easily. Designed with full anti-ghosting, it ensures all key presses are registered accurately. The black, gray, and red color scheme, combined with durable double-injection keycaps and adjustable kickstand feet, adds to both its practicality and aesthetic appeal. The detachable USB cable further enhances portability. With wide compatibility across Windows, Linux, and Mac systems, this plug-and-play keyboard delivers versatility without the need for additional software. The top one in our list, Redragon K556. The Redragon K556 mechanical keyboard offers an exceptional blend of premium build quality and innovative features. Its true hot swappable functionality, compatible with 99.8% plus switches, sets it apart by making switch replacement effortless with less wobbling, thanks to its unique socket design. The solid aluminum board provides a sturdy, elegant feel with a brushed finish, ensuring a stable typing experience. Equipped with hot swappable brown switches, users can easily mod the keyboard with their preferred switches, whether 3-pin or 5-pin, without the need for extensive research. The vibrant RGB lighting comes with 20 preset modes, all adjustable on board for a customized look. Paired with pro software support for personalized key bindings and macros, the K556 stands out as a versatile, high-performance keyboard for both gaming and productivity. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the mechanical keyboards for gaming amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.